This is the kitchen sink right here. And this has been going on for several days. Oh, it actually works. Lucky. This thing's killing me. The leak originated right here. But I frickin' found it. I thought it was a water leak. But it's not. It's a kitchen drain. See it? It's all rotted out. All frickin' rotted out. You can smell it. Dang. That is one heck of a workout right there. Rotted. Little crack in it. Rotted out. Doing PVC. ABS. ABS-ski. There's no need for cast iron. This is parking structure, parking garage with a 1 unit above. So I'm gonna do ABS all the way to this combi. Actually, I wonder if I should replace that 90 or not. But yeah, cool, man. Water's running. No leaky leaks. I screwed up right here. Well, not screwed up, I just wasn't paying attention. I put these together and I measured them, but I forgot, for whatever reason, they had this little jammer in there. Probably because I didn't measure right. Leaks, no leaky leaks. Like I was never here.